Tippy monetization. Honest review. Watch before using. Most people get online monetization platforms wrong. They assume making money from content is complicated or requires millions of followers. The surprising truth about Tippy is that it allows creators of all sizes to earn directly from their audience, and you won't believe how simple it is to start receiving tips. Here's how it works. Tippy is a platform where fans can support creators with one-time or recurring tips. It supports video creators, writers, podcasters, and artists. You set up a page, explain what you create, and fans contribute through PayPal or credit card. There are no upfront fees, and Tippy takes a small percentage of transactions. For example, a small YouTuber posting weekly tutorials can receive consistent support from viewers who want to help sustain the channel. Most people get this wrong. They assume monetization requires ads or sponsorships, but Tippy enables direct audience support even with a modest following. Additional features include goal setting, custom rewards for supporters, and analytics to track earnings. Users praise the simplicity of setup, the transparency of fees, and the encouragement it provides for content creation. However, there are considerations. Income depends entirely on audience generosity, and creators need to actively promote their Tippy page. Most people assume recurring income is guaranteed. Building a steady supporter base takes time and consistent content. In conclusion, Tippy is ideal for creators who want to monetize their work directly from fans, maintain independence from ads, and reward loyal supporters. Subscribe for more honest reviews of monetization platforms and creator tools.